Agents everywhere. But which ones deliver? We count down the top 5 trending GitHub repos shaping the agent landscape. Number 1 will blow your mind. Project airi is a self-hosted AI companion that provides real-time voice chat and can play Minecraft and Factorio with you. This AI companion provides real-time voice chat, autonomously plays Minecraft and Factorio, and features a customizable personality. Deploy with Docker or download the native app for Mac OS, Windows, or use it directly in your web browser. Microsoft's open-source agent governance toolkit enforces policies, zero-trust identity, and execution sandboxing on autonomous AI agents. It blocks destructive actions, requires approval for sensitive operations, and adds reliability engineering to your agents. Install using pip and integrate with your agent framework using a few lines of policy code. A lightweight Python library from andrewyng that unifies multiple LLM providers under a single API. Swap providers by changing one string, build agents with toolkits, and use MCP for data access. Install via pip, set your API key, and call chat completions just like you would with OpenAI. ECC is an agent harness operating system that adds skills, instincts, memory, and security to coding AI assistants. It gives your AI coding agent persistent memory, instinctive responses, and a security layer that works across multiple tools. Install the npm package ECC Universal or connect the GitHub app to integrate with your agent. A modular pipeline from huggingface for building fully local voice agents with open-source models. Offers low-latency voice agent pipeline with VAD, STT, LLM, TTS all swappable, plus OpenAI real-time API. Install with pip, run speech-to-speech, then use an OpenAI-compatible client to talk via WebSocket. Side by side, aisuite and speech-to-speech both do this in Python. Aisuite carries 16K stars, speech-to-speech 8K, same problem, 2 different bets. That wraps up our top 5. If you're building with agents, star these repos. Hit subscribe for daily GitHub discoveries.